right, everybody, we're on to our next page. This is page 3. So you guys are going to find on the top of page 3, there are lots of adjectives. These are good words to describe you, but maybe you don't find all the words that you want. What I like to do is find each letter in my name and circle a word on here, but maybe you want to sit down with mommy and daddy, look in the dictionary, and find some other words as well. Next thing you're going to do is take your name. I didn't draw the lines in here because everybody's name has a different number of letters. This time I used Dr. Sparks because I wanted more letters to do mine. So think about how it's going to sit on your page and try to make this page really beautiful. So I did them and I drew a line beside each one. Then on another piece of paper, start writing down these words that you want. When you're done, then you can lay it out together onto your paper and do your acrostic poem. Here's what I did for Dr. Sparks. D is for different. R is for really tall. I am tall. I'm 191 centimeters. S is for silly. Do you think I'm silly? P is for playful. It's true, I love to play. A is for adventurous. I love adventures. R is for my red beard. Okay, there's some gray in it, but I've got a red beard. K is for Ken. That's my real name. And S is for science. Of course I have to have science in there. Then I want you guys to decorate it. I just did mine quickly with a little picture of Dr. Sparks and my science symbol. Draw it up, decorate it, show us, take a video, and show us what you guys came up with for your acrostic poem. I can't wait to see it.